In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to a GoDaddy website. If you want visitors to book appointments with you directly from your site, adding a Calendly widget is a simple and professional way to do it. I'll walk you through the full process from getting the embed code in Calendly to publishing it on your GoDaddy website and testing that everything works correctly. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website in the GoDaddy website builder. This is where you'll make the changes to the page that will display your booking calendar. It's a good idea to keep your editor open while you work so you can switch back to it easily. Next, open a separate browser tab, log into Calendly, and open the event type you want to add to your website. Make sure you choose the correct event, especially if you offer different types of appointments, because the widget will display that specific booking option. Once you're inside the event type, click Share. This opens the sharing options for that event and gives you different ways to let people access your booking page. From there, select Add to Website. Calendly will then show you a few embed choices. Choose Inline Embed, since this option places the scheduling widget directly on your page instead of sending visitors somewhere else. After that, copy the embed code provided by Calendly. Now go back to your GoDaddy website editor and open the page where you want Calendly to appear. Think about placement here. Many people add it to a contact page, booking page, or service page so it feels natural for visitors. Click Add section and look for an HTML section or a custom code section if that option is available in your GoDaddy builder. Add that section to the page, then paste the Calendly embed code into the custom code area. After pasting the code, save the section and check the page preview. You want to confirm that the Calendly widget appears properly and looks clean on the page. If it doesn't show right away, give the editor a moment to refresh. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Publishing is what pushes the update from the editor to your public site. Finally, visit your published website and test the Calendly booking widget yourself. Make sure it loads correctly, displays the right event, and allows visitors to move through the booking process without issues. This final check is important because it helps you catch layout or display problems before your audience does. Thanks for watching.